In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Steam error code E87. The first thing you want to do is you want to check if Steam servers are currently down. Because if the Steam servers are down, the only thing that you could do is just wait it out, but Steam is typically pretty fast when it comes to fixing server issues. The next thing that I recommend that you guys do is completely close down Steam. So go ahead and just look up Task Manager just like so. So once you're over here, all you want to do is you want to go ahead and look up Steam in this list. It may not exactly say Steam. It might say Steam Client Bootstrapper or something like that. But the point is you want to right click on it. Then you want to go ahead and just end the task like that. So you would go ahead and end the task with Steam. And then afterwards, what you want to do is you want to locate the Steam shortcut and you want to right click on it. Then you want to press on Properties. You want to go over here towards this compatibility, then go ahead and select on run this program as an administrator. Then you want to go back over here towards this shortcut, and where it says target, you want to copy this text right over here. Then you want to go to the search bar and type in run just like so. So go ahead and open that up. Then you want to paste it in and you want to end it with /repair. Okay. So go ahead and do that. Okay, and if you did everything correctly, it is now going to go ahead and open up Steam. And obviously, you want to make sure you have a good internet connection, so it could be an issue with your Wi-Fi. So I recommend turning off your router for a couple of minutes and then turning it back on and see if that does work. Or if possible, try to use Ethernet to connect your PC directly to your router. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.